Hey there, design lovers! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your ultimate destination for all things home decor and design. Today, I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we embark on a journey to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean and explore Mediterranean-style house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's exploring the captivating world of Mediterranean house design, a style that evokes warmth, relaxation, and timeless beauty. The Mediterranean style draws inspiration from the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including Spain, Italy, Greece, and North Africa. It's a harmonious blend of architectural influences, resulting in a distinct aesthetic characterized by natural materials, warm colors, and a strong connection to the outdoors. Think sun-baked stucco walls, terracotta roof tiles, arched doorways, and lush courtyards filled with fragrant plants. This style isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a lifestyle, one that embraces indoor-outdoor living and a relaxed, convivial atmosphere. There are numerous compelling reasons to choose a Mediterranean-style home. First, its inherent energy efficiency is a major draw. Thick walls and tiled roofs provide excellent insulation, keeping interiors cool in hot climates and warm in cooler months. This can translate to significant energy savings. Second, the use of natural materials like stone, wood, and terracotta creates a durable and low-maintenance home. Third, the emphasis on indoor-outdoor flow promotes a healthy and enjoyable lifestyle. Imagine stepping out onto a shaded patio for breakfast or hosting gatherings in a beautiful courtyard. Finally, the timeless elegance of this style ensures enduring appeal, making it a sound investment. Crafting an attractive Mediterranean facade involves careful consideration of several key elements. Start with the basics. Textured stucco walls and warm shades of white, cream, or beige. Incorporate arched windows and doorways, which are hallmarks of the style. Use terracotta roof tiles to add a touch of rustic charm. Consider adding decorative wrought iron elements for balconies, window grilles, or light fixtures. Finally, landscaping plays a crucial role. Plant drought-tolerant greenery like olive trees, cypress trees, and flowering vines to enhance the Mediterranean vibe. While there's no single, best, facade style, certain elements consistently enhance the Mediterranean look. A balanced composition is essential. Avoid overly symmetrical designs and instead opt for a more organic, flowing layout. Incorporate varying roof heights and architectural details to create visual interest. Consider adding a portico or covered entryway to provide shade and create a welcoming entrance. The key is to create a facade that feels both grand and inviting. And here are top 10 Mediterranean-style house design ideas to spark your imagination. 1. Classic courtyard. A central courtyard with a fountain and lush plantings creates a private oasis. 2. Terracotta roof with overhangs. Wide roof overhangs offer shade and protection from the elements. 3. Arched loggias and balconies. These outdoor spaces extend the living area and provide stunning views. 4. Stone accents. Incorporating natural stone for walls, pathways, or decorative elements adds texture and authenticity. 5. Wrought iron details. Intricate wrought iron railings, gates, and light fixtures enhance the elegance of the facade. 6. Warm color palette. Use warm tones like beige, cream, ochre, and terracotta for the exterior walls and roof. 7. Decorative tile work. Incorporate colorful tiles around doorways, windows, or fountains for a touch of artistry. 8. Landscaped gardens. Plant drought-tolerant Mediterranean plants like olive trees, lavender, and rosemary. 9. Water features. Fountains, ponds, or even small reflecting pools add a sense of tranquility. 10. Outdoor fireplaces. Create a cozy outdoor gathering space with a fireplace or fire pit. The Mediterranean style offers a unique blend of beauty, practicality, and timeless appeal. By incorporating these design principles, you can create a home that evokes the warmth and charm of the Mediterranean coast. Remember to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more design inspiration and tips. Thank you for watching. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best industrial-style house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.